when you're sick, enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is so exciting. It is again a new drop from Sensational. Sensational has really not let off of our necks since we went into this daggone quarantine, y'all. Like, they are determined to get all the coins, and I am here to give them up, because it's like when you love WIGS and Sensational just dropping fire after fire, like, you gotta at least like take part. I mean, what do you want from me? I have an obsession. It's a problem. So you guys, I'm here to show you the new drop, which is Risk Taker and Rule Breaker. Is it Risk Taker and Rule Breaker? Let's see, what do I have here today? I have, Born Stunna and Risk Taker. So I'm super excited actually about the shorter one. I saw a little snippet of the longer one, and it was looking like it wasn't looking on the stock card. I don't know what was going on in that little short video. If you guys saw that, let me know your thoughts. Like, I was not too impressed by that little short clip. So I don't know, maybe we should start with that one. Let's start with that one, because I feel like I'm gonna be happier with that one. Let's start with Born Stunna, and we'll end with the one that I feel like I'm gonna actually super enjoy. So Born Stunna, I have in 99J. This is what the stock card is looking like. So it's looking very like loose, fallen curls type of sort of waves, fallen curls. And it looks like maybe it's going to like flip, sort of a light Farrah Fawcett going towards the back and then just kind of wave down. This one is a part of the Textured Kinks Curls and Co collection. Right away, the 99J is not looking like a full, complete 99J. To me, it's actually looking like striations of 99J and 1B. So to me, it almost looks like piano stripe-ish, which I'm not crazy about, to be honest. Just speaking from what I'm looking at right now, I tend to really dislike piano stripe hair colors, and if I want a 99J, I don't necessarily want to see full-blown 1B in the wig. But yeah, I actually like the wave pattern. It looks really, really cute. Not a whole lot of layers in this one, you guys, to be honest. This one looks like she's all about the same length, so I may have to add some layers to her, but we'll see. And let's take a look at this, this lace. This lace is looking gray to me. It's not super, super brown, which is fine. We can always add our lace tint spray. The front of this lace parting space looks like scalp to me. The back gets a little denser, but that's natural, that's normal. Your own natural hair does that as well. And there you go. The reason why it's looking a little more natural is because they gave us a little wider of a lace area here, so it looks like they were able to do more plucking in this area. And you definitely have more lace and more pre-pluck situations going on than I've seen in the past. So that looks exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and clip the back section together, the back two adjustable straps together. The cap construction on this is 2 combs right by the part, 1 comb in the back, obviously your adjustable straps. I'm also going to hit it with some of my lace tint spray. I'm gonna switch back to using the light brown version of this by Ebin. So yeah, I was tan, but I think I've lost that now. So we're just gonna use the light brown and see how that works. So the fit is literally perfect across the front of my head, falling perfectly, which makes me feel like this cap is not necessarily big head friendly, but then again, I do have the adjustable straps tied together. So maybe if you loosen the straps, it will fit, you know, a larger head size, but my head is exactly average size. It's not, you know, I don't have a larger size head, so you might be concerned about that. Or you could just wear it behind the hairline and not have any problems at all. So this is what it's looking like right now. I did already add powder to the part, so I already did that step. Here's what we're working with. This is a full baby, but she's so light, so fluffy. It feels like you literally have air on your head. This is what she's looking like at the moment. And why do I feel like she looks uneven for some reason? I feel like this side is longer, which is strange because she's literally dead in the middle of my head. So we will address all these things. So here is Miss Rule, oh, sorry, God, why can I not remember the name of this wig? Some affirmation, Born Stunna. So this is Miss Born Stunna. So I'm definitely pleasantly surprised with this one. I thought this one was going to kind of be like a womp. But I think that she's actually cute if you take the time to work with her. She definitely has a lot to offer. I do in fact like the baby hairs. I think the baby hairs are just perfect enough, not too over the top, just enough. The hairline is full, the hairline is thick, which I don't have a problem with in this texture of wig. So it is what it is. Do I like this wig? Yeah, actually, I'm surprised, but I actually do like this wig. I went into it thinking that this one was not gonna be super exciting to me, but I actually like it. I like how it looks on me. I like how she flows on me. So, you know, with a few tweaks, I think this one is absolutely doable. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? I'm gonna stop and take a couple pictures, then I'll come back with the next wig. I'm not gonna worry about showing you guys how I style the next one. It's honestly gonna be the exact same process as this one. So I'll just come back on with Risk Taker. Okay, so here we are. This is Miss Risk Taker, and of course, I absolutely love this one. I feel like this one has the perfect amount of fullness, the perfect waves that I can never achieve in my own hair. It looks very, very natural. It's really easy to style. All I literally did was just add some heat to the top just to make it a little flatter. But yeah, this is lightweight. It's not on your neck, so you're not gonna be hot or feel weighed down. It's just that cute, perfect little length. That's an easy throw on and go type of unit. Although we're quarantined right now, so we ain't really going anywhere, but you feel me though. Like, she gonna be cute when outside open back up. So anyway, you guys, I did get her in the color number 4, which I'm absolutely loving. I love the color number 4, but it is very hard to come by nowadays. I feel like people kind of skip over the color number 4. They do your 1s, your 1Bs, and sometimes your 2s, but a 4 is very hard to come by. So when I find a 4, even if it's a 4 blended with like a 30, I'm definitely going to go towards that, because I just love, you know, a softer, natural shade. So yeah, I'm loving this color number 4. I'm so happy it came in a 4, and yeah, I love this unit. You guys tell me what you think. What was your favorite? Do you like the Risk Taker or do you like the Born Stunner? I think in terms of choosing between the two, I would definitely take Risk Taker over Born Stunner. And yeah, I just really love this one. Are they Dragoness approved? I would say both units are Dragoness approved. If I had it to do over again, I would probably do Born Stunna in a number 4, because I just wasn't super happy with the color blend of the 99J. But for show and tell purposes, I did want to show you guys these units in a color and in a natural shade. So hopefully you guys like this you know, show and tell video. I love doing these for you guys. Please do one thing for me and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I know a lot of you guys are watching and you're not necessarily subscribed, but if you're loving the content and I'm giving you what you're enjoying, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a new upload from me. And yeah, I'm pretty much gonna sign off with this one. Thanks for watching again. Love you guys. Stay in, be safe. Yeah, and just make sure you guys share this video. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.